Hello everyone, hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to see Sharjah Classic Cars Museum. Though we can explore hundreds of cars dating back to the beginning of 20th century. The museum was first opened in the year 2008 and after renovations it was reopened in 2013. It displays a collection of vintage classic cars of different brands. The oldest car in the museum dates back 1915. We are in Sharjah Classic Cars Museum and this is the Sharjah Classic Cars Club. And moving around we can see dates palm and some trucks and cars. And here is the entrance of the Sharjah Classic Cars Museum. And at the entrance we have a ticket counter. There we have to take ticket for adults 10 dirhams and for kids above 2 years it's 5 dirhams and below 2 are free for entry. And the museum is having 4 sessions. Each section represents the history of evolution of automobile. First sections belongs to cars manufactured in the period 1915 to 1939 and the second one displays 1940 to 1959 period. The third section represents the cars that is manufactured in 1960s to 1989 and the fourth section belongs to trucks and UAE motors. Yes, it's an ideal heaven for the classic car lovers and the tourists from all over the world. Cars here are well maintained and restored. The collection of cars is the most antique collection of this museum. You might have seen these cars in some old movies. This is a Dodge car of 1915 model and it has a lever attached to it for rotating and starting the vehicle. This is another antique piece with a golden frame. It comes from the family of Ford. It's a Ford T-Series specular model. This green beauty is a 1926 model 4-door sedan car from Ford. This lovely car is of 1938 and is from Chevrolet. In addition to the classic cars, the museum also includes some motorcycles which were made for the military purposes. Here we can see another masterpiece from the Rolls-Royce family. It's of 1934 model. In this Sharjah Classic Car Museum, we can also see the masterpieces from various companies such as Rolls-Royce, Jaguar, Peugeot, Chevrolet, Benz, Fiat, Ford, and so on. We can see a bit of information regarding each vehicle very next to it. This is the Mercedes-Benz of 1985 model, and it was the first ambulance of the Sharjah International Airport, and it has a speed of 200 km per hour. This is a Mercedes-Benz 450 SEE model, and it was used by Sharjah police in earlier days. This lovely looking SUV is from Jeep, and it is named as Jeep Grand Wagoner of 1987. It has a speed of 100 miles per hour. The unique atmosphere and the vibrant colors of the cars will entertain each tourist the same way. Section showcases midget cars which are heavy in fun and light in the budget. Here we can also see chases of Ford T-Series model manufactured in between 1911 and 1927. Near to chases we have Ford Mustang of 1967. Here comes another car from the family of Jaguar, and its Jaguar Mark 8 had front mounted engine and speed of 120 miles per hour. This is another elegant design from Bentley, and it's termed as Mark 6 B30EY of 1949, had a speed of 100 miles per hour without noise. This section includes Diamond T404 truck and a Chevrolet fire truck and a tanker truck and also an ambulance of Cadillac. This car stands out in the museum as it is a limousine of 1960s and it is from Rolls-Royce family. It has its unique features that we can see in new cars of these days. It is equipped with fully electric systems which includes power locks, power seats, power mirrors, air conditioning and so on. It has ABS facility and front airbags too. It is an 8-cylinder vehicle. This is a unique piece in the museum. It's a Benz Pullman 1969 series. This is an SUV from the Range Rover. The museum also covers Bedford vehicles which were used in UAE for the military purposes. In 1950s, people in UAE were using Land Rovers as taxis. This is Volkswagen Beetle. This is 1962 model Opel Kadett, made in Germany as a competitor for Volkswagen Beetle. These were the models of 1960s petrol pumps. It's very interesting to see the collection of old bicycles. Yes guys, I could suggest this place as a great choice for all car lovers, and do visit this place if you are in and around UAE or planning to visit UAE. Please add car museum to your checklist. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do share among friends and family. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe our channel and press bell icon. And thank you all for watching the show.